So how do you actually connect your GameSir controller to your TV? So what we need to do firstly is to put our GameSir controller here into pairing mode. And for me, I have to click on this button right here together with this one, click and hold. And then you will be able to see that I have 3 blinking dots here. And then I have to click on also this button right here. But for you, it might be different. So just find out exactly how to enter pairing mode for your specific GameSir controller. And now when you have done so, just go into settings here on your TV. Then scroll down and click on remotes and accessories, and then click on pair accessory and then click on OK. And now it's gonna search for your specific controller, and you can see it's gonna say probably a wireless controller or something like that. It's not recognizing it as a GameSir controller right away, it's just recognizing it as a wireless controller basically. But it's the exact same thing here. And you can see I'm now actually able to use my GameSir controller without any problems here on my TV. You can see it's pretty cool. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually connect it here, as you can see.